Hello everyone, welcome to the channel CSE Scholar Studies. In the previous lecture, I have already discussed about what is the searching and what is the different types of searching, and also discussed in the previous lecture the linear search. In this lecture, I will discuss about the binary search. What is the binary search and what are the algorithm of binary search, and also we discuss one example how to search any element with the help of binary search algorithm. Okay, so let's start. What is the binary search? Binary search is an algorithm that operate on the sorted or monotonic search space. Means it is always perform on the sorted array. It is not perform any unsorted array. The first condition is array is always in the sorted form, and the monotonic search space means the constant searching space is required for the this searching, and this is time logarithm time complexities is big O log n. So first, how to apply, where to apply the binary search? First condition is data structure must be in sorted form, right? And second point is access to any element of data structure should be take constant time, means constant time between among the all the continuous element in the array. Binary search algorithm, here we explain the step by step step of algorithm how we perform the binary search in the any searching technique. So फर्स्ट वी डिवाइड द सर्च स्पेस इंटू टू हाफ, मीन्स सपोज आपका कोई एरे दिया हुआ है 1 2 3 4. फर्स्ट वी divide this into half portion, two half portion, and find the middle of the array, mid value. Okay, next compare the mid element of the search space with the key, means we find the mid value and compare this mid value with the searching element with suppose the searching element is 7, we compare the mid value of the this searching element. If the searching element found middle element, then एल्गोरिदम इज टर्मिनेटेड, मीन्स आपको इंडेक्स यहीं पे मिल जाएगा. मिड इंडेक्स इज सिमिलर टू द searching element. So if the key is not found at the middle element, then we choose where we want either left of the mid value or either right of the mid value. Suppose if the searching key is smaller than the mid element, suppose आपका जो searching key है, suppose इधर 3 है एंड 5 है, 4 6. If the searching element is smaller than mid value, suppose mid value is a 5, then we go to the left of the array. Otherwise we go, if the element value is larger than the mid element, then we go to the right side of the array. Okay, this is continue until the आप सर्च एलिमेंट आपको जब तक नहीं मिलता है, इसको आप कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ओके, दीज आर द स्टेप वी फॉलो फॉर द बाइनरी सर्चिंग. Binary search algorithm is also these follow these steps. So this is the explain step step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 for this algorithm. Next, this is another way of how to write the binary search algorithm. Suppose we define a binary search function, and the array is a, n is the number of total number of element, and item is the key or searching element. Okay, it is also some cases we see the target value. This is the only definition of the any elements we want to the search. We can also call the key value, searching value, target value, items. In first step we assign the location is index, location index value is -1. This means the searching is unsuccessful. It is very similar to the linear search. And b is the 1 and e is the n. B is the beginning value of the array. Suppose the array is this, and b is the beginning value, represent the beginning value, and n represent the ending value of the array, while b less than or equal to e मीन्स एंडिंग वैल्यू आपका जो b है वो एंडिंग वैल्यू से लेस देन आर इक्वल टू है, देन वी कैलकुलेट द मिड वैल्यू ऑफ b प्लस e अपॉन टू. दिस इज द फ्लोर वैल्यू, नॉट द सीलिंग वैल्यू. फ्लोर वैल्यू, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन फ्लोर वैल्यू एंड सीलिंग वैल्यू? सपोज फ्लोर इज वैल्यू इज 3 upon 2 and ceiling value is represented by 3 upon 2. These is given 1.5 and floor value for this is a 1, but in case of ceiling value the value is a 2. So in this we find the floor value, not the ceiling value. Remember this point. This is the given the floor value. If in case of odd number we find the floor value, not the ceiling value. Next we move to the step 5. If the item is equal to mid value, then location of the mid is the final location of the target value and exit the loop. Otherwise we check item is greater than mid value, then b beginning of the value is increase mid plus 1, else ending point is decreased by mid minus 1 and return the location. This is the similar to the previous algorithm, but it is a different way to represent the algorithm of binary search. We can also represent write this algorithm, either this algorithm, both are the same, but only representation is a different. So let's discuss one example of binary search. Suppose the array is these 8, 16, 24, 32. These are the element in the array, and item which we want to search is the 48, and so the comparison, total number of comparison to the find the 48. Many time in the question asks how many comparison to perform to search this element in the given array. So let's start. Array is this and indexing is from 1 2 3 4 5. First we calculate the mean value. In this case we follow this algorithm, and b is the initial index of the array and e is the ending point of the array, and mid value is क्या होता है b plus e b plus e upon 2 and b क्या है 1 and ending index क्या है 8, 8 upon 2 9 4.5 and use we use the floor value for this, and floor value is the 4. Mid means mid 4 32, mid 4 पे क्या है आपका 32. This is the now mid value of the array, and mid value of the array element is 4, sorry 32. Hence item 48 is greater than 32. Yes, 48 is greater than 32. Then we go to the right side of the mid value. Okay, if this is the lesser than mid value, then we go to the left side of the value. Next we start this is the beginning of the array and it is also ending of the array. We calculate now mid value for this half portion of the array. Mid is equal to 5 plus 8 upon 2. 5 upon 8 क्या होता 13 upon 2 6.5 I think 6 upon point the mid value is the 6. What is this at 6? 6 is this index. At the 6th index the value is 48 and also searching value is also 48. Then the we find the searching element, mid and search element item. So total number of comparison is here is a first and here is 2. We at the second comparison we find the our searching element. Here we stop the algorithm and total number of comparison is 2. This is the total number of comparison for this. Total number of comparison in this case 2. Okay. So this is the example of binary search, and now we see the code for the binary search. C code. First we include the libraries, and we define a binary search functions. Here is an array in total number of elements in the array and target value. Here is the main function. Here we take one array and target value and size of the array, calculate the size of the array. If result is not equal to 1, then find the target result. This is the basic algorithm which is based on the basic C code for this algorithm, and this is the logic of the binary search algorithm. So this is a complete code for the any binary search algorithm which is based on binary search algorithm which is follow these concept which I already discussed in the previous uh, of the algorithm binary search. So we will continue in the next lecture of the what is the sorting techniques in the data structure. So continue the coming lecture and watch the coming lecture to discuss all about the sorting, what are the different types of sorting techniques. So thank you.